why can't you focus and how to fix it. There are two types of focus. First one, the scattered focus and the directed focus. In scattered focus, like based on the word scattered, meaning your focus is divided in all parts or anything. So the best way to avoid this scattered focus is to avoid some distractions, because if you have distractions around you, it takes away your focus, leaving you mentally drained. Next one, to achieve direct focus, you have to take care of your body. How do you take care of your body? Of course, having enough sleep, that is 8 hours a day. Mind what you eat. That is also one way how to take care of your body. And concentration is a skill to focus. Like, concentration is a skill, just like what I said. Concentration can be practiced. It is like a sport that when you practice regularly, it makes you better. So concentration, you can actually practice that until you can make it as your skill. Next one, make focus as a daily habit. And as if you didn't know, the best thing to focus is in the morning, because in the morning, like your mind is drained and it has no other multiple things running in it. Next one, unstimulate your brain. That this is also one way how to achieve directed focus. You need to unstimulate your brain. And as we know that our brain gets exhausted easily, so to unstimulate it, you can take some walk, a nap. Do not hold your phone, because this will lead you to scattered focus. Next one is to take regular breaks. And do you know about the Pomodoro technique, where you will set your goal for example 25 minutes, then once your timer rings, then you're gonna take a rest. So to sum it up, to achieve direct focus, you need to avoid distractions. You need to take care of your body. Concentration, you need to practice your concentration. Make focus a daily habit. Next, unstimulate your brain, take regular breaks, and use the Pomodoro technique.